Hey guys, it's moving now. Train 8, Friday night southbound. Here it comes. Here it comes, guys. Moving. Oh, I'm not that close to tracks. Yep. Here it comes. Friday night southbound. Train 8. No, I can't tell if it's moving or not. I know he is. I don't know if he's moving. Hold on, guys, I don't think he's moving yet. Here it comes, guys. He's moving now. Now he's going towards Richmond. As soon as green red in Richmond. It's gonna be loud. Comes. Friday night southbound. Friday southbound. Mount Carmel stuff. Cool. Here comes.
Gabe! Watch your car!
Oh my god, it's loud. Cool, he waits. Yeah, he waits. Here it goes. Alright guys, here's train number 8. Train number 8 for this week. We went, the one on the front stop, we missed it. We missed that one, but that's alright. Here's this one. Okay? We'll see if we can get the second westbound on the front stop. Okay? Cool, there's that 11. Cool, here's the Friday night southbound. He's going towards Richmond. He's trying to hurry up because I'm freezing. I don't have enough battery on me, so. Good. So I can make sure there's no cars coming. Cool.